Hi, I'm going to tell you about the curtain that covers the doorway. I'm going to try to make it brief. This is 2 pieces, and this actually needs a little bit of maintenance done to it. Some of the Velcro, I didn't sew the Velcro on this time, like Guard mentioned. I need to come back out here and work on it. But same principles. I need to trim some strings. Like I say, a little maintenance here. This has the big magnets in it, as you can see. They're a lot bigger, and Guard likes that because these basically just
they catch
catch themselves. So this is really nice, this curtain here. It's good for privacy. It unrolls. And let's see, 2 pieces. And this zipper, it could be a non-separating zipper, but I chose to put a separating zipper in. But we never separate it. Let's see, it's kind of hard to separate. Actually, that's why we never separate it. So it's got a big, more of a parka or a sports style zipper. And it goes down about to this height. So it doesn't go all the way down, but it doesn't need to because the window is only about to here. So it definitely goes down far enough to keep the light in at night and the daylight out during the daytime. But what I like about the way I did it was, even without it zipped, I made it so that it overlaps some. So it's really not critical that you zip it up to keep the light in. Other than that, it's about the same as the back curtains. Velcro across the top, Velcro on the curtain, and do take the time to sew, to stitch a seam down the Velcro, because Velcro tends, especially when it gets hot in the van, the Velcro tends to release a little bit, the glue on it, because this has fallen down before on us on a really hot day. We came back and found the curtain on the floor. But yeah, same principle, just sew the Velcro to the fabric. But definitely take the time to go to Walmart, get a blackout curtain panel. It's actually a curtain panel. So go to the curtain section and get a blackout panel, because you can't see through it. It's really great. And I can't tell you how many times we've woke up at Walmart at 9 in the morning because it was so dark in here. We overslept. It really gets dark in here, and I like that. And I know y'all know about the curtain up front. With the curtain up front and this here and the ones in the back, you almost can't tell that there's any lights on in here at night. It's really great.
And plus, to add to the darkness in here, we opted on our fantastic fan for a rain cover on top of it that is black, and so that no light comes in there. So when we have it darkened in here, it's nice and dark. We put up the curtain on the door there on the slider, the side window curtains. I put up my windshield screen and my door panels, the ones that go on the door, and then I hang the curtain that Deb made between the cab and the coach here, and it's dark. The only thing we see is the little LED lights on. And
position the magnets. You'll have to judge where the magnets go. I guess to judge, you would just roll it up and see what parts meet up at the top where you want the magnets to hit. But the big magnets work really well. And one thing about that, let me get the door. With this curtain, you don't have to keep utilizing this door blind. We just usually keep it up now because we really appreciate being able to look through this area when we're driving. You know, it's good visibility. So most of the time during the day, it's just like this. It's a big enough opening for us to go through. This one doesn't roll up.
Yeah. But it doesn't need to.
Yeah, you know, you can roll it up messy like this. It doesn't have to be neat. Yeah. It just works.
It works.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks, Deb.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
And maybe you could also sew the two pieces together right here instead of depending on some Velcro to hold it. Just like sew this piece
tab
to this piece here, sew them together right here.
And that is a non-separating zipper too.
You could, but the nice thing about this one, it's a heavy-duty zipper.
Yeah.
But I think this heavy plastic zipper may come in non-separating, but it's nice to have one that's a little bit longer.
Yeah.
How long is this one? Let's see. It's up to right there. So this was a 34 or so inch zipper, 32, 34. Yeah. So it worked out great. We're happy with it. Makes our RVing life a little bit better. Because it sure is nice to have it private in here too, dark and private.
Yep. Well, thanks for watching. If you got any questions,
Keeps the heat out and the cold out too.
yeah, leave a comment. You could insulate it, but this one's not insulated. But
Yeah.
you could, but it's just fine just the way it is.
It's thick enough. It makes
thick
it more
enough.
manageable. And it does keep a lot of heat on the other side.
It
You can
does.
put your hand under there and it's really hot.
Yeah. So if you got any questions, just leave them in the comments. And have a great day. Go out, see the world, see America, travel. Take in
Thanks
the
for
sights.
watching.
Bye, everybody.